You can probably see my eyes are bloodshot red because I'm just tired and drained. I don't know what's going on. You want me to drink water so I can tear? Like,
no,
what the f is wrong with you?
I don't want you to tear.
What's this about? Got warm, bro.
You f***ing listen to us for someone gets hurt, man. That's how shit goes down.
Can you let my girlfriend know that?
Yeah. We will.
On May 2, 2001, 48-year-old Leslie Prier, born October 5, 1952, an American socialite, philanthropist and homemaker, was murdered in her residence in Chevy Chase, Maryland, by Eugene Gleiger. Although a thorough initial investigation was conducted, the case went unresolved for over 20 years. The homicide evolved into one of the most notable cold cases in Montgomery County, Maryland. In 2022, breakthroughs in forensic, DNA analysis and genetic genealogy resulted in the identification and apprehension of a suspect. Gligor was arrested in 2024 and pled guilty to Prier's murder in 2025. On May 2, 2001, when Prier did not report to work, her employer contacted her family. Her husband and employer subsequently went to the residence and found her dead in the upstairs bathroom. The autopsy revealed that her death resulted from a violent physical assault. Investigators noted indications of a struggle within the residence, suggesting that the attack may have been personal or targeted. There was no immediate evidence of forced entry, leading to speculation that the assailant may have been acquainted with the home. Detectives gathered physical evidence, including biological samples believed to belong to the assailant, and carried out interview with family members, neighbors, employees, and others who had interacted with Prier recently. Despite the collection of evidence, investigators were unable to link the DNA of the sample found on the scene to any suspect, using the available databases at that time. Following several months of investigation that yielded little progress, the case was classified as a cold case for over 2 decades. Throughout the years, law enforcement periodically revisited the case as new methodologies emerged. In September 2022, detectives from the cold case section of the Montgomery County Police revisited DNA evidence that had been gathered in 2001, specifically blood found in 3 separate rooms and scrapings taken from beneath Prier's fingernails. They worked in collaboration with Othram Inc., a private laboratory. The laboratory identified a number of DNA matches within a consumer database. While many of these matches were distant, the most notable match led investigators to a family lineage in Romania. Detectives constructed a comprehensive family tree, ultimately identifying American relatives with the surname Gligor and cross-referencing it with the original case file from 2001. They uncovered a tip from a neighbor who, 9 months after the murder, suggested that Prier's daughter ex-boyfriend, Eugene Gleiger, might be involved. Investigators placed him under surveillance. To collect discarded DNA, they tracked Gligor to Dulles International Airport and monitored through surveillance cameras as he drank from a plastic water bottle and subsequently discarded it in a trash bin. Officers quickly retrieved the bottle and swabbed it for DNA. Within a week, laboratories confirmed a positive match to the DNA found beneath Leslie Prier's fingernails and at the crime scene. Eugene Gligor was arrested on June 18, 2024, and was charged with second-degree murder. Gligor pleaded guilty to second-degree murder following his arrest, and Montgomery County judge sentenced Gligor to 22 years in prison.
What's this about? Got warm, bro.
You f***ing listen to us for someone gets hurt, man. That's how shit goes down.
Can you let my girlfriend know that?
Yeah. We will.
Can you tell me what this is about?
Yeah, you have a warrant. For what? I don't know. Have you done anything recently?
No.
I'm hot.
You got a warrant, my boss is going to tell you everything about it, okay? That's all.
Okay.
He'll tell you, he'll give you a copy of it,
Okay.
and we'll figure out what we're going to do if the magistrate wants to keep you or let you go.
Okay.
So my boss will come here and tell you what the warrant's about,
Okay.
and then we'll go from there, all right?
It was compared to the crime scene DNA, and it matched. So we know that you were there at the time when Leslie died.
But I never gave a sample of DNA.
That's correct. We obtained a sample from a discarded water bottle that you drank out of.
I don't know what to say. I'm not. I have no recollection. I have no memory. I have no. I don't know what to say. This is all very bewildering, very strange. I don't want to incriminate myself with questions. You guys are professionals. I'm not. I don't know. I really do think I need an attorney.
Okay, that's fine. We're not going to ask you any more questions. There's no tears coming out of your face.
I'm very dry right now.
You're dry?
I'm very dry. I'm parched. I'm
give you some
dehydrated. You can
There's
probably
water.
see my eyes are bloodshot red because I'm just tired and drained. I don't know what's going on. You want me to drink water so I can tear? Like,
No,
what
I
the
don't want
is
you to
wrong
tear.
with you?
I don't want you to tear. I just don't
What
want
are you trying to say?
I'm just trying to say that this seems a little put on.
In your eyes, it's guilty until proven innocent. I get it.
Well, honey, your DNA was in the crime scene. That's why, like, there's a
But
reason.
there's due process, right? Due process. So you're saying I'm guilty before I've even been put into a court of law? I don't have any recollection of being involved with any of this.
You keep saying you don't remember and you don't have any recollection.
Well,
but if somebody was
I mean,
not involved, it would be an adamant, I didn't do this.
I didn't do it. I definitely didn't do it. Like,
The only person that knows is Leslie, and she can't tell us.